here we go. Archaeology volunteers needed for Magic Mountain site. Denver Museum of Nature and Science. Volunteers can join there where 5,000 human artifacts have been found. 5,000-year-old. See there, it's cool. Ooh, cool. It'll be this summer. Volunteers are being sought. Dr. Michael Coons, curator of archaeology, will be organizing a dig at the site. It's the most important archaeological sites on Colorado's Front Range. Lithic tools and projectile points dating back to 5000 BCE made by indigenous people in archaic and woodland areas have been found on the site, which was thought to be used as a campground for hunter-gatherer groups. The site also hosted an amusement park called Magic Mountain in the 1950s, and there is one in California too. And it's been previously explored by archaeologists. This project revives the excavation through a community-based effort that will likely lead to new science and discoveries. They'll probably hide the most important shit, probably like they did at the Grand Canyon. Look into that shit too. Anyways, we were more advanced than they say. Anyway, space is limited, of course. There. Okay, here's my search for that. And here is your website and the history and stuff. If you want to look more into that stuff there. And here's their wiki page there. Telling you where it is and more of the history and blah blah, all that stuff. And the historical significance. It's a collection of early, middle, and late archaic artifacts, burial sites, and multicultural history. Like I said, look into what they have in there in all this stuff. They're not going to tell you everything. Of course they're not, because it don't fit into their narrative. Anyway, I think that's all I have on this. Yeah. Anyway, if you want to participate in that, apply or whatever. Let me.
Technically, I bought
I'll see you later. Take care.
I was only out
Bye-bye.
$2.
See you next one.